Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a bottle with silica gel. First, make sure your bottle is completely empty and dry. Any remaining liquid could hinder the cleaning process. Next, collect your silica gel packets. Aim for about 10 to 15 small packets, or roughly 1/4 cup of loose beads. You'll also want a clean, soft cloth and a small funnel to help with pouring. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and effective cleaning experience for your bottle. Now, let's get the silica gel into your bottle. Using a small funnel, carefully pour the dry silica gel beads inside. This prevents any mess and ensures all the beads make it into the bottle. You'll want to add enough gel to create a layer about 1 inch deep at the bottom. For a standard 1-liter bottle, this might be around 20 to 30 grams of silica gel. This amount provides ample surface area for effective moisture absorption. Once the silica gel is inside, securely cap your bottle. This creates a sealed environment, allowing the gel to work its magic. Place the bottle in a dry, stable location and let it sit for at least 24 hours. For bottles that were particularly damp or had persistent odors, extending this period to 48 hours can yield even better results. The silica gel will actively absorb any residual moisture, leaving your bottle fresh and dry. After the drying period, it's time for the final steps. Carefully uncap the bottle and pour out all the silica gel beads. You can reuse these beads after reactivating them in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Give the bottle's interior a quick wipe with a clean, dry, lint-free cloth to remove any dust. Finally, store your now clean bottle uncapped in a dry, well-ventilated area to prevent any future moisture buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.